Did you know a blind 16-year-old boy once defeated an army 50 times larger than his own? In 1177, Baldwin IV ruled Jerusalem, but this wasn't just any king. Leprosy had destroyed his face and stolen his sight. His body was so weak that soldiers had to tie him to his horse just to keep him upright. When the great Muslim leader Saladin marched toward Jerusalem with 26,000 warriors, most people thought it was over. Baldwin could only gather 500 knights. The odds were impossible, but Baldwin refused to hide in his castle. Despite his blindness, he rode out to face Saladin himself. His commanders guided him through hand signals as they charged into battle. What happened next shocked the medieval world. Baldwin's tiny force smashed through Saladin's massive army like a hammer through glass. Saladin barely escaped with his life. This became known as the Battle of Montjuicer, one of the Crusades' greatest victories. A dying, blind teenager had achieved the impossible, proving that courage doesn't need perfect health to change history.